How many of you have ever reached the end of a hot date and wondered, are we official yet? Finalizing a lease agreement is that crucial moment. It's where you make everything official and ensure there are no last-minute deal breakers. Welcome back to ECMP Studios. I'm Amit Grover, and today we're sealing the deal on your commercial lease. This is where all the flirting, negotiation, and commitment tests culminate into a binding agreement that sets a stage for your business's future. Finalizing the lease agreement is like confirming a relationship status. It's the ultimate commitment. You need to ensure that every clause reflects your understanding and agreements. It's the last chance to clarify any ambiguities and ensure there are no hidden clauses that could sour the relationship down the line. First off, review every term meticulously. This is not the time for a casual glance. It's the time to comb through every detail with the precision of planning a romantic getaway. Ensure that terms like rent, lease duration, renewal options, and exit strategies are explicitly stated as agreed. Discuss the maintenance and repair responsibilities. It's like deciding who does the dishes and who takes out the trash in a shared apartment. Clear delineation of these tasks prevents annoying surprises that could disrupt your business operations. Verify all the negotiated perks, such as build-out allowances and exclusivity clauses. These are the sweet nothings that convince you to commit, so make sure they're in the contract, clear and actionable. Before you sign, have a professional, like a real estate attorney, review the document. Think of them as your relationship counselor, giving the green light that everything is as it should be, protecting your interests before you make the big commitment. And once everything looks good, it's time to sign and celebrate. You have successfully navigated the complexities of lease negotiation, ensuring your business has a solid foundation to thrive. As we wrap up this series, remember that every step in this journey is crucial. From understanding lease terms to finalizing the agreement, each phase is about building and securing a relationship that supports your business goals. If you're about to finalize a lease or have last-minute jitters about the terms, reach out to us at ECMP. We are here to help ensure your lease agreement is a reason for celebration, not concern. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insightful business strategies. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Estate